In this tutorial, we shall see how to import contacts from Excel file to your Google Contacts. Create a new folder on the desktop. Name it as Contact. You shall give any name you want. Open Excel file and save it as address book in the Contact folder. Keep the sheet 1 and delete the other sheets. Name the first column as name. Name the second column as email. This is your column headings. Enter the addresses. I have already entered. To save time, let me paste it. Save it as CSV file. For this, choose the option CSV MS-DOS CSV from the drop-down. At times, when you save, you may be warned by Excel to save it in Excel format. You shall ignore it and save the file in CSV file format. One part of our work is over. Open your email page in Google. Open Contact using the 9-dot icon or Google application icon on the right top corner. On the left-hand side, you are presented with a set of menus. Choose Import. You are presented with a dialog box. In the dialog box, click the button Select the file. Open your contact folder and select the file address book. Click the Open button at the right bottom. Your addresses are imported into your Google Contact. Rename the label. I renamed it as address book. You shall give any name you want. This is how you can import your contacts from Excel file into Google Contact. We shall meet in the next video.